Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix SIM card not detected on the OnePlus Nord 6. First, go into Quick Settings and disable mobile data. Then take out the SIM card by inserting something small and long into this hole and pushing it down, then take it out. Take a microfiber cloth and gently clean the SIM card, then put it back in. Now wait for it to install properly. Go into Mobile Data More Settings, select the SIM, disable and enable it. Enable airplane mode, then disable it and enable mobile data. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.